So this year I'm living in an 8-man suite in the building 90 St. Thomas More, which is one of the better buildings on Lower. It has air conditioning, it has suites, which is ideal sophomore housing. And I'm gonna take you through my room and show you what the suite looks like, including my bedroom. So this is what it looks like when you walk in. You just have your closet here where I have a bunch of my sweaters hung up and a bunch of other sweatshirts up there. Then I have my bed, and in this building we can rise our bed, so I have a bunch of under the bed storage under there. So I have a bunch more clothes and some laundry and cleaning supplies in there. Then I have this ottoman right here where I just have extra bags. And then I have my desk over here, which just has 3 drawers with a bunch of storage. I brought this from home, but I find that it's really great for providing extra storage for on top of your desk. So there's that. And then in this building, we have these drawers, which just have we have 3 drawers on them and a bunch of space on top of it where I just have my books and a few pictures. And these are extra books that I actually have to return because I ordered 2 of every book on accident. And then I just have my laundry basket over there. And then this is my roommate's side of the room, which basically is just identical to mine, just flipped. And she has the same under the bed storage. She also rose her bed, and her closet is just over here. So I actually met my roommate through a club on campus, which I already told you guys about. It's Boston College Dance Ensemble, and we both are in that club, and I actually met her like one of the first weekends last year. She's one of my best friends, and I'm so excited to be rooming with her. But last year, my freshman year, I went random, and I just let BC decide who I was rooming with based on this survey that you have to fill out, and they'll just randomly assign you to a roommate. We got along pretty well. It was just, we weren't really that close of friends, but basically it's just someone to live with. You don't have to be best friends with your freshman year roommate. Most people aren't. And it's not a big deal either way, whether you are or you're not. So once you go into the hall, we just have another room on this side, which is another one of my roommate's rooms. It's set up exactly the same. And then it's really nice because this year we have our own bathroom. So your freshman year, you don't have your own bathroom. You're going to have a communal bathroom, and you're either going to live in a double, a triple, or a quad. And in any of those settings, it's all traditional housing where you have either 1, 2, or 3 other roommates that you're living with and a communal bathroom that you have to share with everyone else on the floor. It's not ideal, but it's just a situation, and it's probably going to be the same wherever you go. So in our bathroom, we just have our sink, and then we have these 8 little storage cubbies for us. So everyone that shares this bathroom gets to have 2 cubbies where you can store all your bathroom stuff. We also have this shelf right here to store that stuff, and then we have a separate room for our bathroom and shower. So we just have all of our towels hanging there. Obviously the bathroom, our rug, we built this little storage rack to put all of our shower caddies on, and then we have this shower, which is really nice. Then we have our common room, which is really nice because everyone just can hang out in here, and we also have a kitchenette, so I'll show you guys that now. We're not done decorating our room. We still have to put more posters up there and some of this stuff, but we just bought our own TV. You have to bring your own. BC doesn't provide it, but they did provide all the furniture in this room except for what's obviously wasn't provided. So all of this furniture, we have 2 chairs, and then we have 2 big couches, and we brought the beanbag, the mini trampoline, and the chair, and we just have a lamp in there for extra lighting and this tapestry. We also have a kitchenette, which we have this table with 4 chairs on it, and we have a full-size fridge, which is really nice. So we have a freezer in here where we store some stuff, and the fridge below it, so that's really nice because you don't have to bring your own fridge then. And we just have a bunch of cabinets up here where we store like random plates and things like that. We brought all of the appliances here besides the big fridge. So we brought the toaster oven, the microwave, and the hot plate, which we're allowed to have in this building, but not as a freshman. Well, you're allowed to have a microwave as a freshman. And then we just have a sink and more storage underneath. And the other side of the room is set up the exact same way with just 2 rooms and their own bathroom. And then we have a storage closet at the corner for just random big things that you don't want to have in your room.